Don't run ads until you've checked these 7 things off. If you want to be successful with ads and make money, you need to make sure these 7 things are done before you start. Firstly is the Meta or Facebook pixel. It needs to be installed on all pages on your website, including landing pages and checkout pages. Domain verification. Each domain you're sending traffic to via Facebook needs to be verified with Facebook. AEM. This tells Facebook which 8 conversion events per domain you want to optimize your ads for. Pixel tracking, super important to set up the standard pixel event on all key pages, such as thank you pages and checkout pages. CapI is server-side tracking on your website and or payment processor to help Facebook optimize your ads and get you better results. It's also really important to have a backup business manager and ad account in case your primary one gets shut down unexpectedly or in the middle of your launch. Your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and disclaimer must be on all website pages. If you're currently running ads or haven't run ads in a while, it's really important to get these things right, particularly since the changes in 2021 with iOS 14.